Hello Casio fans from all over the world. First, hit the subscribe button and then the like button as well. Secondly, let's start and unbox this timepiece, as we have here the stronger brother of the F-91W. Yes, you're right, it's the F-105W, and we will try to review it after the unboxing ceremony. Let's start! The package is very humble. We have a plastic blister in a plastic box. Casio logo is on the box along with the module and model name. And here is the watch. At first glance it feels like we are having an F-91 here in the hand. It feels the same, the texture is the same, the bracelet looks the same, just a little thicker and somehow more bluish. Taking out the watch, we see also the user guide for this specific model, and yes, thanks to God, we have 1.5 pages to cover. For sure, here are more because it's written in different languages, but I will attach also the one from the internet, the PDF version. This watch is also available on Casio's official website, therefore we could take the specs directly from there. But we will keep the old trend and try to review by getting the information directly from the field. The case is 38mm in diameter, pusher included. The lug-to-lug is around 38 as well, and the thickness is close to 10mm. Pretty thick, I would say. These dimensions are more resilient to the A168 rather than the F-91W, and in regards to the colors, I can tell that compared to others, this is more humble, as we have the blue theme with yellow lettering. The material is for sure resin, and its green is made of resin as well. The total weight of this watch is only 21 grams. You will definitely not feel it on the wrist. The pushers looks to be made of metal. For sure, very easy to operate. Yes, the pusher's layout is identical to the most of the Casios, and for sure identical with the A168, as they share the same module. The module number is 3298. And yes, we have the electro loom on this. Let's call the black version of the A168. From the timekeeping mode, pressing start stop will trigger the 12 or 24 hour format. Pressing light will trigger for, as long as we keep it pressed, the power for electroluminescence. Here is a nice view of the energy consumption light. Pressing mode once, we enter in the alarm menu, where we can set up the alarm. For sure, we can enable or disable the hourly chimes as well. But if we keep on pressing the start stop pusher, Casio will let you know how the alarm will sound. Good. Pressing mode 2 times, we get the stopwatch. Pressing mode for 3 times, we enter in the time and date setup. The first item that can be set up are the seconds. Then pressing light will advance to hours, minutes and date. This model uses a CR2016 battery, and the given lifespan is around 7 years. This will decrease with the high usage of the electro loom. Here is the official operation guide for this module. In regards to the strap, this is very similar to the F-91, and on the buckle we have the Casio logo engraved. On the back side we have these arrows, which indicates how to punch out the spring bars in order to release them. The 80mm width is also shown on this strap. In regards to back case, nothing to say in particular, besides that it is fixed with the help of 4 screws. The following info is engraved: Casio logo, module number, model name, and where it's made. This is made in Thailand. We have also the information that it is made of stainless steel, and in regards to water resistance, it is limited to splashes. This is what Casio guarantees. I am aware that we can swim with it and take showers, no worries, but it is up to you. What I find strange for this model is the low quality of the engravement. Maybe their press is worn out, I don't know, but never seen this low quality to a Casio. Since I have my worries in regards to this low quality engravement, I have some doubts in regards the authenticity of this watch. The bracelet feels alright, the case looks alright. All is pointing out that this watch is not a fake. For sure it was bought from a store or a trustable retailer. But to eliminate all doubts, with the risk of losing the warranty, I will just open the watch just to make sure everything is Casio made. I will also present you how to replace the battery, or we will find out together. So we have the back case, we have the Panasonic battery. If you remember, in my other module that I have for the A168, it was still a Panasonic battery. And there's we have all the engravements here. This is the plus for the battery. This is written no jewels here. Here we have the module name engraved 3298, and here it is made in Thailand. Casio Thailand is written, and here as well we have the engravement of the module. I hope guys you can see. So this is definitely an original module, as we are all used to the Casio quality. With a needle, just unclip this metal. There's the fixation clip of this metal. So if you unclip it, then the back will pop out and you can remove the battery, put a new one, and then press it again until it clips. Just make sure that this clip has a 90 degrees bend. Yeah, what can I say? I have eliminated any doubt, and I will just put the back case on. You can see the poor quality of the engravement. Just make sure that Casio logo is on top, and on top means 12 o'clock position, and 12 o'clock positions means next to the shorter strap. We have here 4 watches that are very similar one to each other. We have the F-105W, F-91W, W-741 and A168. These two shares the same modules. These two shares the same bracelets or straps, and this would be the thicker and the larger version of the first 3 of them. For sure, the A168 has the same features as the F-105. They both have electroluminescence. Mine does not have, as I have replaced it, but nevertheless, I would just say that the A series is the dressy version of this field watch, which is the F-105. The W-741 has also the electroluminescence, but the model is different. It's an older module, is 1275. and I would just call them their bigger, older cousin. Since we talk about the same series, F series, this is F-91, the model that we are all used to, and the F-105. As mentioned previously, the bracelets are the same, they present the same codes on the back, just a small difference here into the naming, but I will not get into details because I do not know the naming strategy. But we have here the back case. The back case, it's different for sure. What I question mark is the F-105 does not have the W here on the back. The F-91 has it on the back. But on their official website, on their case, the W was presented, but not on the watch. The shape of the back case is different, as the case itself is different, it's larger. If we compare length and width, they should be the same, they look the same, just the height is different. But they look very close. Yeah, I would say they are the same. Just one is thicker and the other one is not. They all have this perforation here in the case so that you can punch out the spring bar. This is similar to A168, but the VW version does not have it. What else can I say? For sure, the modules are different, but the appearance, they are more or less the same. Which one will you like? Which one I like? I don't know. I like them both. That's why I've got them into my collection. Yeah, let me hear your opinion about it as well. I will also close the light. I hope that you will see the difference for the electro loom. If not, I will present some pictures from complete darkness. The VW, the F-91, the F-105, and the and this is what it is. Let's compare what we have to compare. One is newer, one is older. With my naked eye I can see differences. The F-105 is more bluish, and the VW version has a little tendency of being green. I hope it is visible on the camera as well. To wrap up this review, we can conclude that for sure this is the utilitarian version of the A168, which is more a dressy watch. The F-105W can be worn under harsh conditions, and for sure it will not let you down. And you can also have the privilege of using the electro loom. Thanks for your attention and wishing you the best.